In this video, I'm going to teach you how to book cheap Greyhound bus tickets online. So in order to do that, first, let's try to go over first on their official website, which is greyhound.com. Input right here your one-way or round trip as well as your destination and origin. Just right here as well your departure. Now the great thing about this is you need to actually book in advance. For example, you're going on a trip on December, you need to book that in advance right here. Just right here the number of passenger and click on search. Once you have done that, it will show you in here this part wherein you can just choose the actual option for the seat selection. We have in here this at around 1998. So let's see if we can actually put that down right there. We have in here our one Deru and input right here the actual origin. So earlier we actually put Los Angeles and Las Vegas. Let's input that in here as well. Then input right here this Las Vegas. Then input right here the date, this is December 18 and click on search. After that, this will give you some search results with the best deals. And let's compare them right there. As you can see, this one is cheaper, which is around 43.98, and this one is 90.98. So for this, just choose this one if you would want to. There are also some cheaper options right here, so just select that. I actually recommend going to Wonderu to get this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.